By now, it's highly likely you've seen a cartoon clip of a young JFK driving a red convertible, laughing and claiming that nothing bad ever happens to the Kennedys before flipping his car over. Knowing JFK's tragic history, you probably saw the irony in that statement and wondered where this gem of dark humour came from. Well, there exists a cult cartoon called Clone High, which first premiered in 2002, got cancelled in 2003, and remained an underappreciated gem until, it would seem, this year, as it exploded into the mainstream. And as a fan of the show directed by the guys who went on to write Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs, The Lego Movie, and work on Into the Spider-Verse, it's nice to see meme culture giving it the recognition it deserves. But of course, its recent success begs the question, what made Clone High blow up and what does it mean for meme culture? Whilst Clone High has been in meme culture for a while, it's important to note that a lot of hype for the show was generated when a reboot was announced on July 2nd this year. Shortly after, on July 6th, YouTube user NotUrielIRL posted a compilation clip labelled Clone High Season 1, but it's all JFK, which seemed to kick off the trend by planting itself firmly in everyone's recommended videos. Then, after several memes were posted, including a lot of JFK voice dubs, the video that would see the internet go nuts for Clone High would be posted by Twitter user Flapjackie on August 25th. It could be speculated that the main reason JFK is now everywhere in meme culture is due to the fact that memes are a unique device that allow ideas and media to spread like wildfire. Never has there been such an instantaneous method of transmitting moods, emotions, or messages to millions of people. With the advent of the internet providing user-generated content as the primary means of entertainment, memes made by others have influenced everything in current day-to-day life, whether that be politics, corporate branding, or even people's opinions on TV shows from 2002. The simple fact remains that when an idea sticks, such as dark satire from Clone High, which is perfect given today's chaotic and terrifying worldwide environment, memes are there to spread it faster and more efficiently than ever before, which makes discussing these memes and their impact so important. Also, if you're wondering why Clone High got cancelled in the first place, apparently it was because of the way the show portrayed Gandhi as a hyperactive crazy dude who can be a bit of a creep. Many Indians weren't happy with it and had a hunger strike, which seemed to be the straw that broke the camel's back for MTV. But it's cool how they portray Gandhi as a creep in the show, because he was actually a bit of a creeper back in the day. He used to tell his followers to sleep naked with him in order to test his piety, which is something that his character in Clone High would probably do. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe!